Halo semua. Hari ini ada unboxing dan review Indonesian MRE untuk satu orang. Tapi before we begin, like and subscribe. Wait, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Notification, like, subscribe. Please. Thank you. It really helps with the channel a lot. All right, let's start. This is an Indonesian MRE. Ini says dilarang memperjualbelikan, tapi saya beli ini dari Tokopedia dan di Tokopedia saya tidak bisa lihat ini. Jadi saya tidak tahu, saya shouldn't do it. Jadi please don't be angry. Jangan marah saya karena itu tidak berbicara di website. Sorry. Okay. Ini naraga. Naraga. Dan jangan dikonsumi bila terdapat kelainan pada kemasan atau isi. Simpan di tempat yang sejuk dan kering. You can see that there. Okay. And then ini. Okay. Let's see what's here. Okay. First, ini sendok dan tisu. Dan ini Pro Milk apa? Sama seperti Milo, sama seperti 3-in-1, ya, itu white coffee. Pro Milk. Tidak ada. Expires February 2021. Sekarang itu November 2021. Jadi itu bagus sekarang. Kode produksi tidak ada komposisi. Jadi Pro Milk. Oh ya, Pro Milk 3 Pro Milk. Minum. Saya jangan membuat ini karena saya tidak suka minuman ada gula. Jadi kamu tahu apa Pro Milk, ya? Oke, dan ini Pro Fortis. Jangan dikonsumi. I think it's cookies. It feels like biscuits. This for English speakers, for my Americans, this is Pro Milk. It's a powdered drink mix it's got like powdered milk or a coffee flavoring or a chocolate flavoring. It's kind of like a powdered chocolate milk thing for fortitude. It's got 190 calories and lots of fat in it. It's like chocolate milk for energy and strength. In Indonesia, people drink it because they consider it a healthy kind of way to get calories in. This is Pro Fortis lagi. So I got 2 Pro Fortis. It seems like cookies. Ini biscuit. Tidak tahu. Dan ini. Ini jangan bagus. Itu a little damaged, but I don't think it's open. Ini tidak membuka. Jadi lihat dan saya tahu. Ya, bisa itu. Lihat ini seperti ini karena itu seperti begitu. Okay, I'll try it. Let me see. Let me try making this shape again. This is menu utama nasi daging empal. Nasi daging empal, expiry February 2021. Okay, let's try to fix this a bit before I open it. I don't want to spill this everywhere. I think I'll speed this part up, maybe. I don't know. We'll see how long it takes to get the whole thing in. This is going to be pretty quick. All right. Yeah. All right. That wasn't so bad. All right. So here you have the little pull tab. This is what it's, well, more like what it's supposed to look like. It's a metal can. There's no heating, there's no stove. Tidak ada sesuatu untuk memasak ini. Jadi saya makan itu dingin dan biskuit dan pakai ini. Oke. Hati-hati, bahaya. Oke. Ya, tisu dan sendok. Dan tusuk gigi. Ada 3 tusuk gigi. Oke, tusuk gigi. Saya suka itu. Oke, let's open. Wait. First. Okay. Menu utama. Nasi daging empai. Okay. Looks like rice and meat with some kind of sauce, but you know, in canning stuff, sauce is always weird. It smells okay. It smells like Vienna sausage. Sama seperti daging di can, yeah? Di tin. Okay. That's a bunch of meat there. And rice, I guess. Yeah, just meat and rice. Hearty, ooh, looks like beef. Looks like beef and rice. It's halal, I'm pretty sure. Saya berpikir itu halal. Di Indonesia, jangan ada babi di MRE karena orang-orang Muslim tidak bisa makan itu. Jadi itu harus daging sapi. Oke. Good. Nah, itu bagus. Saya sudah membuat review, unboxing dan review Indo MRE dari Indonesia. Dan itu ada nasi ayam bubu something, dan itu bagus sekali. Sedikit panas tapi bagus. Ini jangan ada chili, ada cabai, dan itu jangan spicy, jangan pedas. Saya mau sambal. Indonesian government, negara Indonesia, saya cinta Indonesia. Tapi one idea, one suggestion from me. Di ini dengan tisu dan sendok, sambal. Sambal ini bagus sekali. Saya ada sambal di sini di rumah saya, tapi saya tidak mau pakai ini karena itu not good for this. Saya suka itu. Daging, it's not tough, it's tender, but it's, dari metal. Dan itu, it's a bit, canned meat is never good. It's never really great, but it's pretty good. Taste is good. I want some more chili. If I have 3 sambal, bagus sekali. Tapi itu bagus toh. Okay. Saya finish itu later. Now, for the camera, I want to try ini cookies. Let's see what it is. Okay, Profortes. Dan ini, cookies. Saya suka itu karena untuk normal saya jangan makan karbo. Saya jangan makan gula, saya jangan makan tepung, saya jangan makan gula. Tapi untuk YouTube video, untuk channel, saya bisa cheat. I can eat carbs. So I'm gonna eat this. Bagus. It's not too sweet. It tastes good. It tastes like a good cookie. Itu soft. And jangan crunchy. It's soft. It's good. Oh, I like it. Let's see what these are. See if they're the same or if they're different. Oh, chocolate. Oh, chocolate chip. Double chocolate. Wow. Manis sekali. Ini manis tapi jangan manis sekali. Ini manis sekali. Ini untuk dessert. Okay. Itu it. That is Indonesian MRE. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm not going to make you watch me eat the rest of it, but I hope you liked the video. If you're interested in this kind of content, please let me know in the content. If there's something else you would like me to try here in Indonesia, let me know and I'll show you what you want to see. Jika kamu mau lihat lagi, baca di komen apa kamu mau menonton dan saya membuat itu untuk kamu. Terima kasih banyak untuk menonton video saya. Dan like and subscribe. Okay? Bye-bye.